Hello and welcome to my new video. I'm Amber Lowther and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really fun and easy festival ready look. So if you'd like to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime this face. So I'm going to take the NYX Angel Veil Primer and just get a little bit and apply it all over my face. Then I'm taking my trusty The Click from TBX Beauty, which holds all of my magnetic TBX brushes, which is really handy. So they just click on and off. So taking my foundation brush from the range, and I'm going to be taking my Stefan Professional Makeup Photo Ready Foundation, and this is in the shade Sand. That looks like enough. And just blending this out with the brush, and it's really good because it gets into all the little crevices of the face, which is awesome when you're blending out product. Next, I'm going to be taking this Natio Radiant Under Eye Concealer and blending it out with my finger. Oh, come on. Oh no, come on, you can do it. Oh yes, 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 yes. We've got it, we've got lift off. And applying it under my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my ring finger. Then to make sure it doesn't budge all day, I'm going to be taking the TBX Precision Powder Brush and the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Just lightly dusting this all over my face. And using the same brush, I'm going to be taking the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Highlighter Powder in Natural Light 10, and I'm going to be using these more bronzy shades to add a bit more warmth to the face. Oh my gosh, I love that color. Before I get started on the eyes, I'm going to fill in my brows using the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in Soft Brown. And I'm just going to do light strokes and fill the brows in. I find that doing light strokes means that you won't stuff up as easily. Now that my brows are on, sorry they look a little bit scary without eye makeup on, but I'm going to be taking my TBX eyeshadow brush and going back in with the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow palette. I'm going to be taking the lighter brown shade and dusting that all over my lid. This is already adding some nice dimension to the look, and it doesn't have to be perfect because the eyeshadow actually isn't going to be the focal point of this look. You wait, it's going to be exciting. Also going to add some to the bottom lash line and just going to messily apply that. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel London Ink Me Eye and Body Liner in gold, and I'm going to be doing a wing with this. I'm so excited. Starting from the inner corner. This is so pigmented. Wow. I know what you're thinking, we need a pop of color. So to do that, I'm going to be taking the Bourjois Ombre Smoky Eyeshadow and Liner in blue, and I'm going to be putting this on my waterline and smoking it out into my lower lash line. So I'm making sure I'm really smudging this into my lower lash line. So now that I've added the blue liner and I look a little bit crazy, I'm going to take my Benefit They're Real mascara and coat my top and bottom lashes with it. Then I'm going to take my trusty TBX Precision Powder Brush and I'm going to go back in with the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow palette, and I'm going to take this pink shade and the highlight shade, mix them together and apply them to my cheeks. And because I'm a little bit extra, I thought I would take it one step further so I'm a little bit more festival ready, and I am going to take the Rimmel London Ink Me Stamp Tattoo, and this is the star one, so it's actually a star stamp, and I'm going to stamp this on my face. Oh! That's fun. Up there. Oh my god, that's so cute. I love that. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. That's so fun. Yes, please. Oh my god, I love it. Now that I have my stars on and I am obsessed, I'm going to take my NYX lingerie in the shade Baby Doll and apply this to my lips. This is like the perfect nude. Now that that's all dry, I'm going to take the Rimmel London Ink Me Eye and Body Liner in gold again, and I'm going to do a really fun stripe on my bottom lip because nothing says festival like doing a metallic stripe on your lip. Am I right? Am I right? So that concludes my festival ready makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!